Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you our Smart India Hackathon project. The problem statement is agentless Windows system vulnerability and network scanner. This is our project and let me introduce you to the components used in this project. This is the Atomiga 32U4, also known as Arduino, and this is our Wi-Fi module. Now, let's see a quick demonstration. Let's see how it works. We plug this device using USB port on a computer. It immediately starts operating. It fetches all the OS information, user account information, registries, install program, and the permissions, all the firewall rules and critical information, and then categorizes and generates a PDF format or HTML format file. Now, let's take a look at this report. As stated earlier, here you can see all systems critical information like firewall rules, auto executable files, local users, install hotfixes, which are patches applied by Windows, and many more crucial information that helps identifying the vulnerability. To access the admin panel, first go to your Wi-Fi, connect to the CyberHexon's Wi-Fi network, and then go to your browser. Once you're inside the browser, go and dial the IP address of the device. Now here you can see this is the admin panel, and you have options like dashboard where you get information of connectivity, status where you get options to format, stop or reconnect the device. Then you get the PowerShell scripts that are installed or equipped in the device, which you can edit or run. Then you can create a new file and give it a name. Then you get an editor to edit the file, which you can download, delete, or you can enable or disable the auto run. Then you can save the file, run the script or stop the script. Then you get a terminal where you can directly put in the command and run it on the connected computer. Then you get a settings option where you can change the network's name and the channel and this option to auto enable or run the script. Although this was just a prototype, my team is extensively working towards making a lot of improvements. Thank you so much for watching this video.